say?
Our shepherd has been murdered, and we shall solve the crime. What's so funny?
Wow. To start with, you're sheep.
He's talking about you.
You all think you're smart enough to solve a crime. Do you know what humans call stupid people who can't think for themselves?
Ducks!
Sheep! And you, the smartest sheep in the world. Where have you been in the world? Over here and over there? Please, just go back to your hay and your dandelions and your naps, and leave the murder cases to the humans.